Una dey waste time. We go see those charges. Then me, I go write my own statement now. Police, I know 1 year story. Say paper finish. My statement na long note, like 8 copies. Full booklet, 8 copies. Because I will make sure I capture every single detail. Anyone when I go make sure I capture everything. Tak unu ga-ama onye unu na-emekọrọ ihe.
Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m unu ọzọ, biko na ihe abụ nwaanyị a ịnere n'akụkụ ebe a bụ the last video Udele melụ tupu aka akpara nya bụ eze ka Udele. Biko achọrọ m ka unu pay attention ka unu nụ ihe o kwuru, because ọ sị na ọ jee dị na petition ọ ya ede karịrị na ohie o nidu na ọ chọrọkwa ka ndị polisi si ya na pepa agwụla. So maybe ihe mee aka ji wee detain ya na nga is that na ọ ka na-ede statement, because by the time ọ decha statement, because ọ chọrọ na ọ chọrọ ịnọ na akwụkwọ agwụgo. So o nwezi ike ọ bụ na akwụkwọ eji ede the petition agwụbe ha, so ọ ka na-ede his own statement. So ndị mmadụ don't rejoice yet, biko I'm saying this for the fact, don't rejoice yet, because na Udele ka na-ede statement na ọpụta bịara apụta, biko n'udododo maka ndị a na-ebugali fake news na-emele Udele arrest. Nobody arrested Udele. O jele ije hụ na invitation wee jide ya wee ka na-esi ya oke nna ya ka dono dewe petition, because na ihe use wo gịnị hard cover notebook and a na-enwe 300 pages. Ọ ya nwa ka o ji ede petition ya and his own ihe dia ihe ji wee mee ya invite. So ọ dechazia ya, o nweziri ike ọpụtabazia, mana ka akụkọ si wee kọọ biko a sị na-atụghị ya chiri na aka ya na-abụ na aghọọnali ofu aka. So then another thing na-ekwukwa bụ na amarọ m na o nwere prayer point anyị na-akwado iraise now. Arịsị onye ọbụla na-eme midnight prayer, biko kaba arụ mewe the midnight prayer, biko ka mara na Chukwu nọ ọ nọ ya hazaeze ekpere. Ọ bụrụ na ya ejide Udele ha ala anyị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'ọdụkwa ka ya kama, because you have to choose onye chọrọ achọ. Iuchere ka aha Udele jide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ sị ha ala anyị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu jide Udele. Biko no do achọrọ m no reply you na comment section, but for the meantime Ijele Elias Udele ka na-ede statement na police station. So because from this video kita nwete ọ na-akọwa sị na ọ chọrọ ka asị na akwụkwọ agwụ. So the first akwụkwọ enyere ya agwụgo, ọ ka na-ede with the second one kita o nwezi ike, and ndị bujeli ya nni na-akọwa sị na ọ dechabe na aka na-achọ request extra paper, because na by the time ọ dechara o enwe ike na-alahụzi na station no, then na-abịazi court na-present his own petition, because each adjournment ọ na adjourn na court na awụkali 3 months 2 months. By the time I go the first petition, after the next 3 months I go another one after 3 months, because akwụkwọ Udele de karịla akali. So biko no na this video kunu ghọta ihe m na-ekwu ka ọ dị na ndị be anyị.
Okay, let me block one also. Now your papa go rot for jail. Ewu. Na ikpuru nne gị your mama toto na him go rot. You don rot already now, but now him go put for jail. We shall see. You dey hear me? We shall fucking see. This is the case now. This is the beginning. I thank everybody that made a video and asked them why they cannot arrest Ijele. This is it. Thank you for helping me. Give me that thing I've been looking for. And anybody praying against me going to court is my enemy. Okay? Of course, onye buresu obi ọkụ. It is Armageddon. It's either me or you. Before the law court, me I no need to pay any people for media, but the people will go follow this case. Many of them go Twitter, go see wetin dey happen there like immediately. Where game never start. Then I will go and see the person. I will go and see the person. We like don drink sote in head comot, he wan finish in career. It would happen. My people, let me not waste much time. You know I love keeping to time, so I want to get there in time. let me go and arrange, my lawyer. They indisposable, but our lawyer they done already. So as I come out now, they go mobilize them. They go mobilize the lawyer, and all our lawyers where they calm down until it gets to full trial. That is when everybody we go. They think say, oh, make you no, I no go spend money. Yes, not this one I want to give like this one. We go follow. You see this case, he go there TV now. He go there TV. I be on a thing say this thing finish. We no go talk am for TV. Two unu na-egbu oge. On at the waste time, we go see those charges. Then me I go write my own statement now. Police, I know 1 year story. Say paper finish. My statement na long note, like 8 copies. Full booklet, 8 copies. Because I will make sure I capture every single detail. Anyone when I go make sure I capture everything. Tak unu ga-ama onye unu na-emekọrọ ihe. Okay? Tak unu all those pastors on a miracle now go come prove am for court. Those on a miracles now go come prove am for court. The person wey say I threaten your life, don't worry now, you will explain yourself. You must be demystified. We are a matter of hours away from knowing the unfortunate banza. Okay? These are the no cry when it's like, come on, what fool you also? Now your mama toto go cry. Ewu umumbada. I said then go read statement tire. Them go read statement tire. Me, you later go police. Don't worry, you go start. I get all of on evidences, all if like when I say fool, iyagba, iboko, ojureju barabara, ta wan no so nwo anwu so enwere onu, umu ewu. Mugu, you are so useless, you are using a fake account. You can't even use your real account and come. I know say all of una since night una no sleep. Yeah. What will you do to you? Don't worry now, una go do am now, make we see. Ndoshi. This area na be fraud. Don't go anybody want meet. Meet all the people when you want meet. Make they expand. Me, I know already. This is where they go call and say, oh, please, if I beg my mama, whether Hezekiah, Zion Bio, the criminal arranging master, whether it is any of them, we shall see. My people, I thank you so much. Of course, I will drop a video before I get in there. I will keep you people updated. All right, check out my Twitter. Ijele speaks too. Okay, when you type Ijele speaks too, you will see it. It was 9,000 something for like now. I don't even jump 10,000 plus. Please go there and follow it there. You get time to go to first. Also, in Azad Don King, Don King name. Use your name, come out if they born you actually mama wear. I know mama. You are for what chapu need. Thank you, my people. I love you all.